Hey everyone, welcome to this latest unboxing thingamajiggy. And in this jiggy, we are continuing the series on the Apple products here. Yeah, I know, continuing to shield for Apple on 24, but tough luck. If you're an Android person, then you know what, maybe this is not the video for you. Uh, so as you remember, we've done the AirTags, and recently we also did the power adapter extension cable for things like the MacBooks and all of that sort of stuff. And this week we are going to do this USB-C to USB adapter. Now with all these adapters and charging cables and all that sort of stuff starting to get a little bit different. I guess Apple's just making their money on all these accessories and adapters. If we still have the other stuff, they're the older stuff there. So I know this particularly comes in handy to plug into your MacBook that only has the USB-C port in it, and still being able to put it in with the plug it into a regular USB thing here, so you can have that with your like webcam or your microphone, or put a USB flash drive in there or whatever, make it compatible. So without much further ado, what we'll do is that we'll just peel this thing off like that there, and we'll just pull this up like that. We'll pull this tab up here, and voila, there we go. That's what we have. So this should come in handy. I knew that I would probably end up needing something like this with my MacBook there. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which will be down there, and also to ring the notification bell so you can get notified of other videos just like this one. And don't forget to smash the living daylights out of the thumbs up button, or even the thumbs down button, and also to check out these lovely videos here. And with that having been said, I will see you at the next unboxing video. So take care and